Susan here, and I wanted to just give you a little peek into what the Deciding Discernment 5-week workshop first community call was like. So it's exactly what I was hoping that we would be talking about. This was people who are in relationships who are really struggling with themselves and their own life balance and their own relationship balance. And they really identified a few things about their own stressors in their life, their things that were off in their life that was possibly making them a little bit harder to be around and also blind to their partner. So they identified a few things that they would do to take care of themselves and a few things that they would add to their partner relationship to really show that they cared and to bring some more of the relationship back. So it was really exciting to see some of the discoveries that people had, that a lot of times when we're stuck in relationship, we're blaming the other person for our unhappiness. And when we can just step back a little bit and take a view on what's going on with us and can we see the relationship clearly, it really has to come from us being able to see ourselves clearly. So if you haven't signed up for the workshop yet and it's something that you're still like, maybe I will, I'm not sure, you still have time to do that. I'm accepting people to the Friday call, and this week we are going through a list of tools that will help you understand relationship dynamics better and your own part in them and how your partner shows up in the relationship as well. It's really great to not take style differences and personality differences so personally, but it's really important to also develop some skills around them. So that's what we'll be doing this week. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.